My name is Grace and I'm an aerial yoga instructor here at Yin Yoga Studio. Today I'll be going over a tutorial on how you can do a headstand with the help of our lovely hammock here. So one reason why I prefer to teach my students how to do a headstand with the hammock is because it helps you to engage your core a little bit more so that you can enter into the headstand with more mindfulness, with more awareness. Instead of kicking into the headstand, which I see all the time. When you kick into your headstand, it just sets you up for more injuries, especially in your neck area, your cervical spine, the vertebrae in your neck, which is super delicate, so you just want to protect that area. So if you do have any previous neck injuries or your neck doesn't feel that great today, I would refrain from trying this today, but feel free to watch the video later when you feel up to it. Even though you're balancing on your head, you don't want to feel anything in your neck. So you're using a lot of your shoulder strength and your core strength, your belly strength to help you get inverted. I will be going over many stages, many steps into getting into the headstand. So don't feel any pressure, don't feel rushed into it. Pick any stage that feels good for you and you could just stop there, and then one day the magic will happen. I do want to talk about the placement of your head. A lot of the times I see people place the back of the head on the earth, and I understand that tendency. When you're upside down, you want to see your legs, you want to see what you're doing, but actually you want to put the top of your head, the crown of your head, on your mat. So how do you know what the top of your head is? You can place your thumbs in the middle of your ears and then bring your middle fingers together. So wherever your middle fingers meet, that's the top of your head, the crown of your head, the area of your head that will be on the ground. The next part is to grab opposite elbows. So now I'll face the same way as my loop. Okay. So grab opposite elbows, so that way you do know your elbows are shoulder width apart, which is super important for the alignment in your headstand. Next will be to interlock your fingers together. So when you interlock your fingers together like this, your palms will become like a pillow for the back of your head. Next part is to put whatever foot you want inside your loop. I'll place my right foot inside. You can put your left leg inside the loop, but all my cues today will be with my right leg in. So from now on, activate your right leg by pointing your toes or flexing your foot. Just keep the tension underneath your right ankle with the hammock strong, actively pressing into it. So now we're ready to place the top of our head on our mat, and then the palms to the back of our head. So here, you want to bring your shoulders away from your ears. So press your elbows, your forearms into the earth. Shoulders far away from ears, like this. Next will be to tuck your left toes into the earth. And then next step is to lift up your hips, straighten your left leg. Right now, I'm on my 5 left toes. See if you can curl up onto your big toe only. Big toe. 5 toes, big toe. It does require a lot of core strength, but it is a good indicator to see if you're ready for the full headstand. Next stage is to bring your left knee into your chest. Making sure to bring your heel close to your glutes. Next is to stack your hips over your shoulders, actively pressing your right foot into the hammock. Once you feel your hips over your shoulders, the next step is to bring both knees tucked into your chest. Right now my right foot is pointed. I'll flex my foot. It helps to keep the hammock hooked underneath your ankle as I bring my right knee into my chest. Next stage here is to straighten your left leg up to the sky. If you feel good here, then you'll unwrap the hammock from your right foot by pointing your toes. And then if you feel okay here, straighten your right leg up for a full headstand. So pointed toes, inner thighs spiral in, your navel in towards the back of your spine, shoulders far away from your ears, deep breaths. When you're ready to come down, place one foot on top of the loop, slowly, and then place the knee onto the ground. Unhook your right foot or whatever foot's inside the loop into your child's pose. So when you're inverted upside down, there's a lot of blood rush to your head, so you may feel dizzy or nauseous, completely normal, but do rest in child's pose no matter what. When you're ready to come up, gaze at your belly, roll up one vertebra at a time. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope this helps you guys in your headstand journey. Let me know if you have any questions. Namaste.